Computers are incredibly powerful machines, but at their core, they are actually quite simple. They do not understand human language. They only understand machine language, which is made up of binary code, long sequences of ones and zeros. This binary code represents electrical signals that the computer's hardware can process to perform tasks. Everything a computer does, from opening a web page to calculating a math problem, is done through these binary instructions. But writing programs directly in binary would be extremely difficult and time-consuming for humans. That is why we use programming languages, which allow us to give instructions in a much simpler and more human-readable form. Programming languages such as Python, Java, JavaScript, or C++ act as a bridge between human logic and machine execution. When a programmer writes code using one of these languages, they are essentially writing a set of instructions or a recipe that tells the computer exactly what steps to take. These high-level languages are designed to be easier to understand, using words and symbols that resemble natural language or math. However, computers still cannot directly understand this code, so we need tools to convert it into machine language. This is where compilers and interpreters come in. A compiler translates the entire code into machine language before the program runs, while an interpreter reads and executes the code line by line. Once the code has been translated, the computer's central processing unit carries out the instructions step by step, just like a chef following a recipe. This allows the machine to interact with hardware, display information, perform calculations, and respond to user input. Whether you are creating a website, building a game, or programming a robot, you are essentially writing instructions that a machine will follow. So, while computers may not think like humans, programming allows us to control and guide them using logic and creativity. Learning how this process works is the first step to understanding the digital world around us, and to becoming a creator in it, not just a user.